Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to learn how to add an elegant wax seal to your Canva invitation? Learn how to create an elegant wedding invitation featuring a classic wax seal in minutes. In Canva, first click the Create button on the homepage. Then, in the search bar, type Wedding Invitation and press Enter. Browse the available templates, select one you like, and start customizing your wedding invitation design to fit your needs. Next, select the template option from the menu. This lets you choose the layout or design you want to apply to your project. Choose the option you like best. For example, select this one. Once you've made your decision, we'll move on to the next step in the process together. To add a wax seal, click the Elements tab in the left menu. In the search bar, type Wax Seal Stamp and press Enter. Browse through the available options and select a wax seal design that fits your project. Drag and drop it onto your canvas to position. Choose this design as it's well suited for this type of invitation. Click on the template to select it. Next, resize the template by dragging the corners until it fits your needs, then place it in the correct position on your invitation layout to continue. You can place it anywhere you like. To change the color, click the Edit button. In the Edit menu, you'll see filters that let you select another color. Simply browse through the available options, click your preferred color, and it will instantly update. This gives you flexibility to customize the appearance to match your preferences. Drag and drop the item to your desired location. Move it to the right or left to adjust its position, making your layout appear more organized and visually appealing according to your preference. You can also choose from additional colors here. Once you've selected your preferred color, simply confirm your choice to apply the new color to your element. Click the Share button, then select Download. Under File Type, choose PDF Print for the best printing quality. This ensures your document is saved as a high-resolution PDF ready to print professionally. Click the Download button to save your design. That's how you create a wedding invitation with a seal stamp using Canva's simple design tools. Now you can design elegant wedding invitations with a wax seal effect in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative design tips.